LA. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's right. Usually I'm up there, but not today. All right. Cool. So we should be live. And now we're gonna get into this. So, okay, guys. So, um, once again, sorry for being late, but we're still gonna get a nice solid hour of trading in here. So, if you guys took MES this morning, your first entry was probably, let's see here, that was too early. You may have tried to take this and lost, but then you would have probably gotten in on this flip here and probably just won. So, win and a loss on MES. Let's check MNQ. MNQ, similar story. You would have taken that short here, lost, and then you would have gotten a nice flip here. Let's check out MYM. MYM coming right up into the pink, which this could be interesting. If we get a turnaround here, this could be a fun short. Okay. Oil. Oil's been trending down this morning. Platinum. Honestly, platinum with probably a wick in here. Maybe you got stopped, but second attempt you would have won. Check out Bitcoin. I talked about how I wanted to trade Bitcoin this week. This would be counter trend trade, but dang, that looks interesting, huh? Big volume, 10 EMA setting up. Let's keep an eye on that, but I'm going to look at MYM because if we get the turnaround right here, this is probably going to be my favorite setup of the day. How's everyone doing today? For all my watchers on YouTube, how are you? You guys got any good Christmas plans? You guys can hear me, right? Go nowhere near a computer? For sure. Let's see what the broader market's doing today. AMD had a big bounce. AMD is interesting because we knew it was going to put in a low soon. It put it in right around 120. ETH trying to push back up. Solana, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is having a nice push up today. That looks nice. Tesla. So I did do what I talked about on that swing trade video. I went ahead and bought one share on that day, one share on that day, one share on that day. So I'm in 3 shares of Tesla. Platinum looks like it's starting to wake up. Amazon, Apple, what's down today? Microsoft's down slightly. Costco's down. Costco touched the 1,000 mark and dropped. So if we can come down a little more on Costco, maybe, yeah, I'll be honest, Costco's expensive, so I wonder if there's not a leveraged ETF for Costco. Wish there was. Just such an expensive stock to buy. VIX back under 18. That's impressive because VIX was at 28. So we've had a 10-point drop on VIX. All right. Well. Okay. So to recap, what we're looking for, we want to reset long for MES, or on MNQ we want to reset long. MYM, we're looking for a turnaround. This could be our trade right here. This is what I'm interested in. So we're just going to give this a sec. Okay. All right. So for all of you on YouTube and everywhere else, um, we are in the last 7 days, 8 days of our Prop Firm Masters group. And come January, it'll be a fresh new group of people. I'll be restarting the syllabus. Also, I'm working on building out slides right now. So at the end of the month, everyone that took the class this month is going to get slides, just going over everything, reviewing everything. So the beginning of next month will kind of be like teaching new students how everything goes. But obviously, for those that want to stay in the group, I'll still be getting on here, same schedule, um, multiple times a week, Monday through Thursday, and trading live. So if you want to sign up for that, just make sure you're paid up for January, and we will keep you in the Slack room. Um, Hope to see you there. If not, if you're moving on to other groups or just want to take a break in January, absolutely no worries. This is a month-to-month program, so yeah. I know a couple of you won 3 months, so I'll definitely see you there next month. But this program just runs month over month. So January, February, March, April, May. And new students can come in any month. Old students can drop out any month. Veteran students can stay in as many months as they want. But I'll kind of let the veteran students know when I'm doing the beginner course, like when I'm teaching the new things. So maybe they opt to not come to those classes and just come to the trading sessions. But um, day one, I'll be taking trades. I'm always taking trades in the background, even if I'm going through slides on the beginner stuff. But this is looking really good here. Uh, let's see if we can break down further. MES also showing some weakness now. MNQ, cool. Platinum looks very strong today. Let's see here. Let me look at what other tickers we can look at. GC. We got some GC folks out here. Ooh, guys. Micro. So, okay, GC and MYM are going to be my two. Now, today, I am going to probably size up my R. My renewals are on January 2nd. So, the whole thing here, guys, is I always risk about 250 to 300 as my R. But you can see in this account, I'm at 24.5. This account, I'm at 24.6. This account, I'm at 24.9. So I'm anywhere from 1,500 to, you know, 2,000 away. So I got to kind of put my foot on the gas here if I want to pass these before my renewal date. It's actually cheaper just to buy a new account with a discount than pay the renewal fee. So I'm probably going to up my R to like 400 or 500 today. So let's get this set up. That would be fun right there. Yeah, I know, but there probably will be one for New Year's. All right, so GC. Yeah, exactly. Just getting logged into my Apex account or my Tradevate account. Okay. So entry is going to be 2629.8. MGC. Hold on, make sure I'm buying the right contract here. MGCG. Yeah. Didn't get the bull below yet, so still waiting. I'm going to do the Februaries when it's time. Let's go take a look at MYM. Ooh, MYM with a really nice double top here. I may take MYM in my, let's see, I'm trying to decide here. Because I have a 100K account and I have three 25K accounts. So I want to maybe split it up a little bit. How far am I from target on this? All right. So these are the two trades we're looking at right now. MYM, MGC February, both looking scrumptious. AFQE says, I'm doing a different prop challenge. We can't trade indices, but looking at gold, what do you think of gold today? If you don't pass the first month, you have to pay for the next month. Yeah, so there's a renewal fee every 30 days on Apex. Once you pass it, you pay a one-time TA fee, and then you're done paying fees. So what I'm saying is, I like to pass these in 1 month. I don't want to hold on to evals for too long. If I didn't pass it in a month, that just means that month was kind of a choppy month, right? Sometimes it is. There's just tough months to trade in general. Like September's a tough month to trade. December can be tough, but we're gonna do our best here to pass these things. Let's see here. Okay, so MYM, MGC, still haven't gotten the setup yet, but it's gonna be something like this. If and when we take it, it's gonna be something like this. Just gotta wait for the bull below. The bull below. I'm at the Hotel Figueroa trading in the lobby right now. Just visiting family. Yeah. Visiting the fam. Alright, so it looks like we might get the setup here on MYM. $40. So here comes your candle close on MYM. It looks like we closed. That's tough. But is that right on it? Right on the line. Because it's a hammer, I do feel comfortable about setting this up. So let me just see what it'll be. If I want to do probably like eight contracts, maybe 9. So we'll wait and see if that sets up, and then gold. Well, this is already set up. I'm just seeing if I can get triggered. So 43114. So I have one set up on MYM right there. And then I'm going to, so this is for all my 25K accounts. Okay. And this one's going to be in my, yes, I entered it for MYM right there. See it? I have the order in. Can you see my screen? No, yeah, MYM on the left, gold on the right. Gold hasn't given me the setup yet. Walmart's kind of getting smashed today, huh? I had a buddy who went all in on puts up here on Walmart. He's probably loving life today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bear candles in a row on gold. I don't love that for an entry if we get a bull here, so I might want to wait for 2 bulls. Let's take a look at MES in the 3-minute. MES almost had a reset. MNQ did have a reset. So if MNQ, if we get a new setup long, I might do that on MNQ. Just gotta wait and see what it gives us here. MBT, kind of not really doing much. Oil. Okay. So yeah, really it's just our big three guys. MES. So MNQ is in play, and so is MYM as well as MGC. Those are our three that we could potentially have setups coming. Like I said, with MGC, I want to see two bulls below because we had so many reds in a row. I'm gonna wait one more. I want two green candles because of how many reds we had in a row. And then for M and Q, I'm simply waiting for um, a setup up here to go long, maybe. So just kind of waiting everywhere at the moment. And guys, just FYI, tomorrow we won't be trading because it's a half day and it's a holiday. But I believe the markets are open half the day tomorrow. Let's see what we can get here, though. Let's see what we can get here. All right, so it looks like the bulls are putting in another potentially push here, but now we're kind of getting another lower wick here on gold, which is what I wanted to see, or an upper wick. We'll see if this can close under the 10 though. MNQ, just still waiting, guys, for an entry. Okay, so at this point, I would set up a short on GC right here. Um, we'll see if that gets triggered. M and Q looks like we might get a long, so we're still kind of waiting here. We might cancel this soon. We still haven't gotten a bear above, so I'm not going to cancel that yet. But for GC, it's looking like B12. It's all good. I was late too. I'm sizing up a little bit because I want to pass my accounts before the renewal date. Actually, this is my 100K, so we can probably do a little more. I could probably do 20. Let's see what the risk is. Hold on. Do 30. It's gonna be something like that. 26, 28.4. Ordering Chipotle. All right, then we got the M&Q long coming in. I'm gonna change this to be just gold MGC on this screen. So that's a gold trade. That's a gold trade. The 25 is gonna be a $400 R, but I'm looking to take something different in my 25. We'll see though. I'm thinking about taking in my 25s this long, but we'll see what happens right now with the market. Didn't get a close above yet. Okay, now MGC. Actually, I got to move this up now to here, which lets me move my stop up to here, which is where I wanted it originally. All right. So MGC is set up, guys. For the 25K counts, I may do this entry too. Let's see if I can get it in time. MGC G5 2629.5 2629.5 2629.5 So stop. 26, 26:32.8. I'm gonna post it right now in the group. 26:29.5. All right, let's see if we get filled here. So I'm doing 30 in my big boy account. I'm doing 15 in my small ones. That should be 15. It's at 5 right now. Hold on. All right, let's see if we get filled here, guys. It's getting real close. Yep. See if we can get a gold win. Very close to getting filled here. Are you? Okay, I'm filled now. So let me run over here to this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and throw in my stops for this one. Give me 2632.8. Target is going to be 2625.2. Cool. All right, see if we can get a win here. The gold come down. What was MNQ doing? MNQ might give you a long setup here. If you're interested in taking that, stop can be honestly here, here. That's going to be more aggressive. So 40-point stop versus a 50-point stop. But that's an option. I'm in gold right now, so we'll see how gold goes. All right. So for those of you watching on YouTube, who's in this gold trade with me right now? If you're in this gold trade, type of 3. Type of 3 if you're in this gold trade. All right, we got some threes up in here. MGC. Let's take a look. Yep. You can do MYM long. You can probably do MNQ. You can probably do MNQ long too. Yeah, these are all setting up long. Yep, you can do that. So you can take that long. You can do something like that. Boom, boom. That is totally acceptable. MES. Yep, long. MES didn't technically get a reset though. So MNQ is really the only one I would do. MYM though, I believe did get the reset. Yeah, it did right here. Bam. So you could do MYM or MNQ long. Just be careful on MNQ or an MYM because you are just now breaking that. So, but yeah, you can take those. That's totally acceptable. You can be aggressive and put it here, or you can be more conservative and put it here. That's the trend line, right? That's what you're moving your stop up. So if you want to be aggressive, you can totally put it here. Just because you just have to remember, if it does that, okay, I'm still safe, right? And then my stop will go there. And my stop will go there. The reason I move it like that every 21 minutes is because of the S curve. It's just in case we do this, right? That's the whole idea. All right, MYM blasting, gold chilling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the seventh candle right now. Actually, this was the first candle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I gotta wait one more. Seventh is the next candle. So I can't make my stop yet. MYM looks really good. If you guys want to get on a retest of the, if you get a retest right here, that could be a fun entry for MYM. Probably a similar situation with MNQ. Not breaking out quite as strong yet. Actually, you wouldn't even have gotten triggered in. That's your entry. So you're still waiting if you're doing MYM. I'm sorry, MNQ. I'm getting my symbols mixed up right now. MYM, though, you could totally be in or getting in on a retest right now. Okay? Platinum with a reset. A lot of things setting up right now, guys. Platinum could be fun. Oil, if this turns around up here, that could be a fun short. Okay. All right. That red? It was red on the regular full size contract. So I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop down to here as promised. Bam. I'm just gonna do this in all my accounts real quick. Bam. Bam. And bam. Did I do that early though? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this is the seventh candle. Can't do it yet. Gotta move it back. Sorry. Can't do it yet. Jump the gun. Still waiting here. Move stop. Let's see what MYM's doing. Okay, so who got in on that retest right there? Anybody? Anybody in MYM right now? This looks nice. MNQ setting up. You probably just got triggered in on MNQ if you're doing that one. Very nice. And guys, what I'll do is if we get to like December 30th, right? And I haven't passed these accounts yet, then I'll just take one big play in each, like, and I'll probably pass like two of them. And that's just how I usually close out the month. Like, if I'm on the last day, because I think my renewal is on January 2nd. So that would mean that the 30th is probably, because the 31st it's closed. Or no, the 31st it's a half day, I think. The first it's closed. The second it would be open. So I could either just Hail Mary on the second, or it says I get renewed on the second though, so I don't want to risk that. So I'd probably do it on the 30th. But we'll see how this trade pans out here. MNQ. And when I say Hail Mary, what I mean is like I would just literally in each account okay, so in this account I'd be like, all right, well I'm gonna do whatever. 15. Or like 12. I'll risk 11 contracts, and if I hit target, I pass the account. I'll do that in one account, and then I'll do it in another one. I'll do the MIM, another one I'll do the gold. That's like a last ditch effort on the last day. I haven't passed them yet for the renewal. So as a last ditch effort on the 30th, if I haven't passed any of these yet, I'll probably just select 4 different plays and go like full port on 4 different tickers. So like I'll do a bunch of contracts on gold, a bunch of contracts MNQ, a bunch of contracts MES, a bunch of contracts MYM, and probably 1 or 2 of those will pass the account. That way I at least have 2 locked in for the end of the month. So I trade conservatively all month long to see if I can pass it conservatively, but when we go into the renewal date, I don't want to pay whatever it is, $100, $150 to renew each account. So I just sort of roll the dice. So that's on the very last day. So it's usually going to be January 30, because January 31 is a half day. I don't trade half days. The first it's closed, and then the second's my renewal date. I don't want to trade on the renewal date, get like hosed by accident. So yeah, but MGC, okay, finally getting a red candle here on MGC. Now, if this closes red above the 10, remember I can skip a stop rung, so my stop will go to here. Okay, 47 seconds on this candle. See how this candle closes here. Yeah, MNQ looks really good, guys. Breaking out. If you guys are taking that. MYM looking gorgeous. Gorgeous. MYM is probably my favorite right now. You got this big kind of like W cup pattern. That's really pretty. MNQ looks strong. You got a little bit of resistance right here, but you know, nothing to be too afraid of. Everyone just overreacted last week. Now we're climbing back up. All right, MGC. There's the candle close. Oh man, we closed right on it. But technically that's not above, so I'm only gonna move my stop to here. So I'm gonna move my stop. Boom. Boom. Beautiful. Just like all of you. And bam. Okay. Stops there. 0.7. And we're rocking and rolling. So guys, I do have to step off this live. I have an appointment I got to run to, but I will give you guys updates in the Slack channel. Hopefully this just rolls over straight to target. If you're an MNQ, I hope this pumps for you. Same with MES. Well, MES didn't have the reset. Sorry, MYM. If you're an MYM, I hope this just pumps. And I will not be on the live tomorrow because tomorrow is Christmas Eve, which is usually a half day in the markets, I believe. Christmas, we're off. The day after Christmas, which will be the 26th, markets should be open, so I'll be on. And then the 27th, I'll be on, which is the Friday, I believe. Okay? All right. And I won't be late next time. I don't know what happened to my alarm this morning. It was very strange. Yeah, happy holidays, guys. And don't break your rules. Like I said, I'm following my rules strict up until that last day before renewal, and then I will get really aggressive. I'm already starting to get more aggressive, right? You saw my R today went to 500. So baby steps, and we'll get there. We'll get there. Hope you have a blessed day. And yeah, like I said, if you want to sign up for January Prop Firm Masters, you can go on our website and pay for next month. Talk to Marta, whatever you need to do. And like I said, I'll be teaching all the basics again with slides to the new students. You don't have to come to those classes, but every class I will still be doing this. Even if I'm teaching the stuff to the new students, I'll be still taking trades. We're going to be taking trades going live, multiple times a week. So there's still value in there for veterans, but totally up to you. It's a month-to-month program. I know some of you are taking Yep. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. So the slides are going to be done basically like on New Year's Day. So I'm going to give the slides out to everybody that took this month. It's just been like a huge undertaking. It's like 100 slides or something. But yeah, it's going to be like really detailed, like showing like everything, like 10 EMA, how to set up your account, like payouts, like, you know what I mean? Like it's going to be pretty thorough, little walkthrough. That way you guys don't have to always go to like the frequently asked questions on Apex, because I know they can be those guys. They write just essays and essays and essays on things, and I'm like, guys, just make it a little easier. I'm gonna simplify it all in the slides, you know. So, all right, guys, I will move my stop in about 20 minutes, 15 minutes now, and when that happens, we'll notify you in Slack. You too. Take it easy.